guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do 2 Easter treats. The first one will be Rice Krispie Easter eggs, and the second one will be chocolate covered Easter pretzels. So if you're interested in knowing how to do these 2 Easter treats, then keep watching. So before we get into this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do it right now before you keep watching. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so we are first going to start with the Easter Rice Krispie eggs because we will have to store it for an hour in the fridge. So meanwhile, we can do the chocolate covered pretzels. Alright guys, so for the Rice Krispie Easter eggs, you will need Rice Krispie cereal, marshmallows, candy melt. Alright guys, so let's get to it. So the first step right now is butter. Next, we are going to add our marshmallows. Alright guys, so once the marshmallow is nice and melted, you want to remove it from the heat. So now we're gonna add our Rice Krispie. Alright guys, so now that our Rice and Krispie is nice and sticky and yummy, we're gonna go ahead and put it in a pan. You want to spray it with butter. So now that we have our Rice and Krispie in the pan, we are going to let it sit for an hour in the fridge. Alright guys, so now we're going to wait for an hour for our Rice Krispie to get a little more firm. Meanwhile, we are going to do our pretzels. The pretzels are super easy. You just want to have your sheets over here and then your candy melts. We are gonna go ahead and melt these 2 colors. So we have our 2 candy melt colors over here. So I chose purple and green. So the way I'm gonna melt them is in the microwave. So it looks like this now. So there you go. We're gonna do the same thing with the green ones. Then you just want to take your fork and put a little bit of the candy if you want to do this type of decoration. Alright guys, so the pretzels are done. So while this is gonna be drying, we are gonna go back to our Rice Krispie that is in the fridge. Check this out. So now what we're gonna do is put it in the shape of an egg. Alright guys, so I am done with my Rice Krispies. I kind of put them in the shape of an egg. I really tried my hardest. When the Rice Krispie comes out of the refrigerator, it's really hard, but it will look more like an egg when we dip half of the Rice Krispie into the candy melt. Now all we are going to do is dip half of the egg. Alright guys, so here is the final result. So the pretzels, you guys can actually put them in a container. You can keep it up to 2 weeks. And then for the Rice Krispies, they say it only lasts 2 days. So if you want to keep them longer, you would have to put them in a little plastic and then just put it in the freezer, and that will last a long time. So I'm just gonna put them in plastic, and I'm actually gonna give them as a gift for Easter. So that's why I was also preparing them today. But I'm definitely gonna make more. So yeah guys, I'm gonna close up today's video. I hope this was helpful. And since Easter is coming up, I thought that maybe you guys would need some ideas. So here are 2 of them, and I'm really happy with the results. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment down below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. Bye!